Hello everybody, how you doing? It's James here from Flocode. So welcome to the Flocode Python Essentials course. This is a free course on GitHub. It contains basically everything that you need to know to get up and running with Python for engineering. We're going to take a look at your tooling and your setup. We're going to take a look at Python syntax. We're going to look at control flow and logic, and then we're going to look at functions. This is more than enough to get you up and running in terms of using Python in a professional engineering capacity. So start at the beginning, move sequentially through the course. I think it should take anywhere between 2 to 6 hours depending on how much experimentation you do, how much playing around with the code that you do. And there's many different rabbit holes, of course, which you can dive into. There's lots of links in here and everything that you need to get up and running. So if you haven't already, check out the Flowcode newsletter and be good out there. I'll see you soon.